afternoon everybody. So here we are on today's ride. So first stop is going to be Nippon Battle. We're going to go out on the North Crawley Road and cut back to Critchley, and then we're going to go to Sherrington. At that point there I'll make a decision on where we're going next. Bring it back in a minute. We're on the SL today. Nice one. Here we are just outside Newport. Nobody around today.
So handsome. Love the clothes you wear. Love the clothes you wear. I love your broken crown, the one you stole from the king and held for ransom. Love the broken crown. Love the broken crown. Love it. Love the golden cat, yeah. Love the golden cat. I love the velvet hat, you know, the one that caused a revolution. Love the velvet hat. Love the velvet hat. I love it. Love the way you walk. Love the way you walk. La 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 la. Love the way you talk. Love
see where we was. If you look straight across now, that hill with a bunch of trees on it, just to the right of it, that's where the tower was, where we were stood on, looking back this way. So Olney, you can see the church tower there, St Peter and St Paul's. Milton Keynes, that's that crane we saw earlier in Newport Pagnell. And we're going that way. So here we are at Cowper's Alcove. Just shooting the time lapse there.
Trying to find the light. Nothing here is right. Feeling dead inside. Everything feels like a dream. It's all gone wrong. Waiting for a call. Holding on to hope.
Well, I got lost completely. I've got a clue where I am. I've just been through some private facility with cameras and lookout posts and everything. I don't know what it was. I don't know where I am. Look at these houses down here. Some massive houses down here. These are proper gaffs, these are. Look at this lump here. I ain't got a clue. Anyway, I'll bring you back in a minute once I know where I am. Monkey puzzle tree there, look.
What you got going on. High nose, eyes closed, holding on. And I don't want another date and break. And take all, steal all night away. Warm shadow, warm shadow. Won't you cast yourself on me? Got in store for me. Keep those eyes closed next to me. And I don't want another day to break. Take all, steal all night away.